Danny. I want to be in front. My
Okay,
shoulder's in
okay,
front.
Okay.
You always have yours in front. Let me be.
And
Yeah.
I'm Justin. My name is Justin.
And I'm Danny.
And together,
We make
Janny.
Janny. How many times have you been recording a video and thought, man, I really messed up that intro?
I'm a big old goofball.
Exactly. Well, do we have the solution for you in our newest feature release, Justin?
Video trimming. Yes, that is correct. Before and after. You ever fumbled around looking for the stop button? We got you.
Trim off that awkward beginning and that terrible end to make the perfect video in between.
This guy shot almost 20,000 videos
And
he
I still
can't get it
don't
right.
have it right. Now, there's a few things that you should probably know about this new feature, so let us just tell you about it. You're gonna be able to, well, basically very easily trim beginning and end.
BombBomb video trimming is available to BombBomb Plus and Team accounts only.
Exactly, and you can access more information about how to use this feature by going into your account and getting into the BombBomb Studios tool that is now available in your accounts as well.
Try it for yourself today by signing up for a 2-week free trial, no credit card required.
Now let's end this video before we mess it up.